Alright, let's work on some translations today. So I have triangle ABC there, and I'm going to translate that 3 units up and 2 units left. So I have this on a graph, but we're going to see with the numbers too. So first, I'm going to start with A. I'm going to go 3 up, so 1, 2, 3, and then 2 left, 1, 2. So I put A, and because I moved it, it becomes prime. I put that little apostrophe thing there. So then let's do B, 3 up, 1, 2, 3, 2 left. So I got B prime, and then C, 1, 2, 3 up, 2 left. So that becomes where A originally was. So that's C prime. So I can draw my triangle in. It should look exactly the same. And then let's look what happened to our numbers. So originally A was at negative 5, 3. B was at negative 1, 2. And C was at negative 3, 0. And then I translated these to now A is at negative 7, 6. B is at negative 3, 5. And C is at negative 5, 3. So now we can look at this and write our translation rule. So I started with my x and y values, and I translated them to be x minus 2, y plus 3. Because I went 3 up and 2 to the left. So if you look at these, negative 5 minus 2 is negative 7, 3 plus 3 is 6. Negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. Negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5, 0 plus 3 is 3. So my translation rule worked for all of those. Alright, so now we need to write a translation rule for moving right 5 and down 4. So translation rules are always going to start out the same. You're always going to have x comma y. Oops. Getting ahead of myself there. Is translated to x comma y and just leave some spaces. That part in white is always going to be the same. Anytime you see translation rule, that's the part you need to write. The part that's going to change is the part I'm going to put in red here. So first I'm going to move right 5. Right is your x, and right means positive. So I'm going to add 5 to my x. And then down 4. So down is going to be on my y-axis, and down is negative, so I'm going to subtract 4. So the only part that's ever going to change is that part in red. I'm either going to plus or minus something to my x and plus or minus something to my y. Alright, now I have 3 points here, and I'm going to use my rule to translate those points. So my x value I'm going to add 5, and my y value I'm going to subtract 4. So first ordered pair I have is 12, 7, so I'm going to add 5. So 12 plus 5 is 17, and 7 minus 4 is 3. Next one I have 8, 2, so I'm going to add 5 to 8, so that's 13, and minus 5, or minus 4 from 2, so that would be negative 2. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. And then I have negative 3, 1, so negative 3 plus 5 is a positive 2, and 1 minus 4 is going to be negative 3. So once you have your translation rule, you can put any pair of coordinates in and get your new translated point.